bonjour. You know what? I want to teach a little bit about how I break down words and learn about different words. One thing you can do is, first of all, is go to freelang.net. Type in Ojibwe. You can just put freelang Ojibwe and it'll bring you here. You go down here and it says download this dictionary. And it'll put it on your computer or on your Android, not on iOS, not on iPhone. Download it and it's there. You don't need internet anymore once you download it. And this is how it looks on your computer. So let's say I know an Ojibwe word, but I want to break it down a little bit. So type in asterisks, and I want to say Wejibwemojig, and means carry something along. But I recognize the with doing. I see that word quite often. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just isolate between the asterisks, two asterisks, with doing. It brings up all the words with doing. With doing. And I notice what is common. It means move, take, carry. So bring something, carry something, take something. It's like you're lugging it along. And then they have different parts in front of them. Like a nimit with doing. Take something away. So I know what doing means carries, but I want to find out what a nimit. So I'm going to type in a nimit. And it'll bring all the words that have a nimit in it. I wanted to find out words that started with it, but it ain't working for me. There it is, a nimit bizo. Driveway, a nimit bisa. Going away. So it looks like what's common here is drive away, move away, crawl away. Look at that. Dodgem. A nimit dodgemo. Dodgemo means crawl. I always thought that meant just telling stories. So maybe I want to look at Ojimo, because I remember Ojimo. There used to be a TV show in Minneapolis on Dodgemo. Okay, I'm going to put a space after it. Put a space after it. That's for all the words that end in whatever you typed in. So these are all the words that would end in Ojimo. Tell a story, speak, repeat, news. So we look at what's common. Here's crawl again. Come telling a story, be Dojimo. I was trying to figure out what's the difference between crawling and telling a story. It looks like it's Dojimo. Might be the root word for crawling. Come crawling, beej Dojimo. Yeah, beej means this way, beej or bead. And so it looks like Dojimo is a root word for crawling. I'm going to test it out. Put it on your... The computer's slow for some reason. I'll just put D in there. Hit return. There goes Dojimo. There's crawling again. But being Digay Dojimo. There we go. So Dojimo is crawling, but without the D. Without the D. It's storytelling, telling stuff. Alright, so that's one way. You can go on in English too. On your phone app, you only put asterisks in the front. You don't have to put one. You don't put one in the back, otherwise it won't work. So on your Android, just one asterisk in the front. But on your laptop, asterisks in the front and the back. And let's say, let's look up words for English words that have drive in them, because I'm on the English side. Drive quickly. Drive long. So I'm looking to see what part means driving. Well, we know da be away is one way of saying driving. I see bizo. I'm going to go with bizo. I'm going to say bizo has to do with driving. And the more you look at the words, you start to figure them out. and then a space. Bizo. All words that end with bizo. And not all of them have to do with driving, but when we see drive, fly, zip along, unimpeded, that means it's just cruising right along without obstacles. Abide, way. So abide is like constantly. Way is a sound. So here goes that constant abide, because I looked up abide before. Flying along is the bizo. Way is a sound. See, abidjibizo, constant driving. The D can switch with a J. Sometimes you'll see these letters changing. D, J, sometimes Z. But you see that they have common. So that's how I use Freelang. Break words apart, look at them. Other one I do is so I go to Ojibwe People's Popular Front. Ojibwe People's Dictionary. And one way is you could type a word on here like Bijibizo. Okay. And it says drives here. If you click on it, it might break the word down. If you go down farther. So you go down here and should bust them up. Don't always bust them up into word parts. But here's bizo. Moves without obstruction. Moves, flies, speeds, falls. So that tells you right away. I don't have to try to figure it out. But now click on there. It'll give you a long list of words that have bizo on the end of them. You know, agua bizo. Agua tends to be coming out of the water. A nim, there goes away again. Driving away. Going away with sound. A peach is a certain speed, I suppose. How fast are you going? How fast are you flying? Or zipping along in your boat? A J is going back. So I see a J a lot, and I want to see what a J means. And I can go down here and down to the bottom. A J means back or backwards. Remember, we got in a language conference, elevator all full of schnabs, and door open, elder was there. She said, "This is too packed. I'll catch the next elevator." And they said, "We'll make room. We'll make room." She said in Ojibwe, "Ajay Dieg." And she got on, and we went up, and then she got off, and she got out and asked those one guys that were in there, "Did she say back your ass up?" And they said, "Yeah." They didn't even bat an eye. Ajay Dieg. I thought it was funny. I never heard that before. Of course, I'm just a language learner. So here's Ajay. Back. Pull it back. Bid doing means by hand. Ajay boy. That's rowing backwards. That's when you're rowing a boat backwards. Not paddling. That's pulling it. Ajay boy. Old man told me that before. So now I see another word. Bid doing. I hear bidun a lot of words with bidun. Well, here's another way to do it. You could go up here to where it says Advanced Search. And you got your option. What do you want to look up? The English word or the Ojibwe word? So I know it's, I want to see bidun. Starts with, contains the word, or ends with. I'm going to go end with, because I know a lot of words end with bidun. So this is going to bring me up a list. All the words that end with bidun. Oh, look at pages. Page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5. Lots of them. Bakwe. Tear a piece off. So we're trying to figure out what bidun means. Well, if we look at it long enough, we can start figuring out, well, maybe I can go back. Bakwe. I'm going to go back lazy way. Just click on here. It'll tell me what it means. It means, bid is to pull it using your hands. So bidun, means to do it to it. Bidun, doing something with your hands. Bakwe means piece out something, missing a piece. I don't know what it means. Figure it out. But that's the easy way. The other way you could have done is what I like to do sometimes is look at all of the words with bidun on it, and you could kind of see what's common in them. So we did find out bidun means by hand. So Here we go. Abuj. Turn it inside out with your hands. A bidun is with your hands. Abuj is inside out. Ab. Ab is like undoing. I don't know what the isk means. But I could click on it and go dig around and find out more. So here's all the different words that have bidun that you can do with your hands. And I just wanted to show you how I break up words and look at them. Now we can figure out how to shut this thing off.